Anthony D'Silva from Asolna, Delhi. I take video at and Captain Venzy Viegas, who's the Benali MLA. They get outbursts. He is comparing Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Chief Minister of Goa, to our ex-late CM, Bhausaheb Bhandodkar. I don't know what conspired and what was his policy, what was this give and take. Because Jori tor fakat appreciate korpa jay allo, you could have appreciated the CM, there is no doubt. Tuke kis barepon kela constituency udarkot kela fine. But going overboard and trying to win another brownie point, comparing him to Bhausaheb Bhandodkar was not in good taste. And I don't know what are the floodgates that he is going to open for you now. Maybe the doors will be open for you, maybe to join the BJP. And it's a Captain Bab. Ami konakui support korpa jane, and am teje chapukui marpu jane. Whether it is Congress, go forward, whether it is MGP जाऊ आणि आम आदमी पार्टी जाऊ, कोणी जाऊ. तुका जायत्या एक्टिविस्टांनी सपोर्ट केल्लो, तशेंच हांवें पर्सनली तुका जायतो सपोर्ट केला. And I never expected anything from you. Probably in these 2.5 years, I might have not even met you more than twice. And absolutely, definitely, I have not met you for any personal reasons. Ata, हे तुगेले भंकस करप मरे आता तुगे बंद होईल. Captain Bab, तुका सांगता, you have a pause. Pause button होईल. Sometimes you looks like you are overexcited and you get overboard. Otherwise, you should join Churchill brothers. Because Churchill Bab at least openly says that CM is Goribancho Munis. And you also in line with that now. The Chief Minister is, you are doing worse than Churchill now. You are comparing him to Bhausaheb Bhandodkar. So I think you can do an alliance with Churchill Bab. And don't be mistaken. Ami mare activist, we are good enough to influence today any constituency in the whole of Goa. We are in a position to influence any constituency in the whole of Goa, especially South Goa, and to zero down in Salset. And for your surprise, especially Benali. So, sorry, extra being cozy and comparing to Bhausaheb Bhandodkar was wrong because sorry, amka activists kitule tras kele deni. Yes, Sarkaran, under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant, see the amount of troubles we are going through for every nook and corner. That is what Bhausaheb Bhandodkar did. That means you are conniving with this man. Are you? To compare him to Bhausaheb Bhandodkar. To tugla soire. Comparing him to Bhausaheb Bhandodkar means you are twinkling it all over Goa. Kapastat tugeli. I think time is not lost. It will be nice. You better not only clarify and rectify what you have said, you have to, on media, it will be good for you that you will have to apologize. You have to apologize. Because to get a statement done, it has hurt a lot of people in Goa. Especially the activists who are being troubled day in and day out. Amka this sarat harassment data because we are fighting against so many issues. So many issues. So if it is like Bhausaheb Bhandodkar, every trouble that is happening in Goa, why don't you sit down with him, talk to him and get rid of the problems. So we don't have to come on the street ever again. We are on the street because of people like you. तुम तुंगेली हनीमून कोताय तेंचे बराबर तुगे पळ म्हणटरी जालें तुका कितें जाय तें जालें तूं सुटलो मागीर आमी झोकमारो I know you started becoming a politician maybe soon after 1 year. But we will not let this thing to continue. And I will tell your supporters also. Together supporters has to come out and see that they put a pause button on you. Don't take your supporters' support for granted. Sagle from Kolwa to Karmana to Benali, Kavelosi to Mobor. This could be the beginning of the end time for a political career. Take this lightly from me. Otherwise, ask for an apology from all the Goans on the social media. Of course, again, we as activists, we always keep that one option open. It's up to you. Did I apologize? If not, we know now what to do. Devara Guru. Thank you very much.